Today, I will show you the perfect trading strategy that will help beginners open a trade either up or down if they don't know which direction to choose. Look, for example, I see a chart. I don't know whether to open it up or down. For this, I will need this neural network, artificial intelligence. You can see its name on the screen. Accordingly, we click Get Signal, select OTC, and then choose the pair we will be working with. Let's check. Our pair is called OutCat OTC, so our task is to find exactly this name among the pairs. Here it is, OutCat OTC. We click on it and now select the time for the entry. For example, 1 minute. 1 minute, get the signal and wait for the signal. Well, it gives us a decision on which direction to open, and here it tells us that it's time to open a signal for, let's wait, for a decrease. Now we open our trading platform and accordingly select 1 minute and, for example, $150 down, 1 minute for a decrease, and wait for the result. I'll pause the video and we'll come back after the signal closes. We'll take a look. We have 3 seconds left. 3, 2, 1. As you can see, the signal worked perfectly and we made a net profit of $138 or $288 gross. Thoughts? Capital is positive. Excellent close. Our first profit. Now let's move on. Let's open the next signal and let's go with OutCat OTC. We're switching back to our neural network. It wrote that we had an excellent close, a profit. We press new signal, get signal, and let's move on to the next signal. OutCat OTC and also a 1 minute option. Get the signal and wait to see what happens in a minute. The signal tells us to go down for 1 minute. So let's open a 1 minute trade and go down again. We press down and wait for the result. I'm pausing the video again. We'll come back when this trade is done. 5 seconds left. 4, 3, 2, 1. And as you can see, another profit. Look, another plus $288. Great close and another profit. We check our neural network and it tells us, yes, another perfectly successful profit, another winning trade. Perfect. Well, let's click for a new signal, get the signal again, and go for the next one. Let's see what it's called. The next signal is called CJPY OTC. Well, basically, this is what the chart looks like. Let's find it. CJPY OTC. There are a lot of charts here. We need CJPY. Interesting, is it here? It's not here, I don't see it. If you also can't find the chart, then just look at any other one you have next. CNOK OTC, for example, this one. Let's take a look at CWNOK OTC. It seemed to be here, so yes, here it is. CWNOK OTC, 1 minute. And let's also take a signal here and see if the signal works here. A signal to go down. We open our trading and once again open a down position. A signal to go down. We wait for our result and once again I pause the video. Well, there are 5 seconds left. 4, 3, 2, 1. And once again a positive outcome, another profitable trade. And we've gotten another win. Guys, it's just perfect. Another win. The name of this neural network is on the screen. Take a picture of it, you can find it, and of course use it. Remember, it can also make mistakes, as it says here. So I wish everyone good luck. I hope you succeed. Goodbye to everyone. This is truly an interesting system.